Hey admins, welcome to another game-changing tutorial. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of creating an app in Infor OS. Let's get started on this journey. Step 1. Open up your Infor OS ION API. This is where the magic happens. If you're not there yet, make sure you're all set up and logged in. Step 2. Navigate to Authorized App. In the ION API, look for the Authorized App section. Here's where you'll be creating your new app. Get ready to give your workflow a boost. Step 3. Create a new app. Click. We're on the path to defining your app and its unique functionalities. Let's name it. How about we call it DocBits? Step 4. Choose backend service for your app. This ensures it can interact seamlessly with other systems and data sources. Step 5. Define a refresh token. Here's where the rubber meets the road. Define a refresh token for your app. This token keeps your app connected, even when it's not in active use. Step 6. It's time to download the credentials for your app. These credentials are like keys to your app's access, so make sure to keep them safe and secure. Step 7. Create a service account for your newly minted app. This account ensures that your app can interact effectively with various services and data points within Infor OS. And there you have it. You have successfully created an app in Infor OS. Your app is ready to rock, streamline your processes, and enhance your workflow. That's a wrap, admins. With just a few clicks, you've unlocked a world of possibilities within Infor OS. Need further guidance or facing any roadblocks? Our awesome support team is here to help. Happy creating and innovating.